In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email in Canva. This walkthrough is perfect if you want a clean starting point for building your own email design without any pre-made elements getting in the way. I'll guide you through where to click, what you'll see, and a few simple pointers to help you feel confident as you start. Begin on your Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you land on after opening Canva, where you can see recent designs and quick options. Look toward the top left of the screen for the Create button. It's your main starting point for any new project. Go ahead and click that. When the menu opens, you'll see different categories for designs. From this list, choose Emails. This tells Canva you want an email-specific layout, so you'll get the right dimensions and a workspace designed for email content. It keeps everything organized and makes sure you're designing in a format that fits common email needs. Once you select Emails, Canva will load a page with options. Front and center, you'll notice an empty email template. This is the option you want if you prefer to start fresh with a blank canvas. Below it, you'll also see a library of templates. If you ever prefer a pre-designed layout, you can click one of those and Canva will take you straight into the design editor with that template applied. Templates can be helpful for inspiration, but today we're focusing on a clean start. Click the empty email template. Canva will open the design editor with a completely blank email layout. You'll see the canvas in the middle, ready for your content. On the left side, there's a panel where templates and other design elements are available, and along the top, you'll see a toolbar for styling once you begin adding content. Nothing is added yet, so you're fully in control of the structure, look, and messaging from the very first element. At this point, your email project is created and ready to be customized. This is a great moment to think about your goals and the flow of your message, like your header, body content, and a call to action. Starting from an empty template keeps things simple and consistent, especially if you're matching your brand style or building a layout you plan to reuse. And that's it. You've successfully created an email project in Canva using the empty email template, and you're ready to design your content.